All right, so I kind of skipped ahead, y'all. I really intended to do like a full install. I got all four corners done, but listen, if you follow CJ Pony Parts install guide, the one thing they won't tell you is that you really need to take this loose, because when you go to drop the subframe, take out the subframe bolts and lower it, it's gonna bind up on here and you won't be able to get the spring out. I was racking my brain and I finally figured it out. But we went with the Pro Kit. I hope she looks good, because it was actually pretty easy to install. I haven't done a lowering set myself ever, but it wasn't too hard. So yeah, on with other stuff. What's up, y'all? Y'all are seeing this the first time I'm seeing this. I'm lowering the car for the first time on my Eibach Pro Kit. Pro Kit. Here we go. Come on. Damn. Got some fender gap up front still. It's better. It's definitely lower. Get some spacers. The backs look good though. Damn. Hope y'all like it, because I sure as hell do. A quick little underhood shot. She's all new. I had to remove this to get that running pony in there. Got the JLT, as you can see, Ford Performance struts for the hood. I'm glad I got that too. Oh, weight reduction. No hood prop. Sorry, just a little joke. I know it's not real actual weight reduction, but yeah. All right. So this is the car after it's been lowered. God, it looks good. We just did the Mbrp Axle back exhaust with the Pypes H pipe, resonator delete. Man, it looks good. Needs some spacers, I think. I don't know, let me know what y'all think. I think it needs spacers. Did the 5.0 delete, the chrome delete anyways. See that right there. Yeah. God, it looks good. Y'all, I also deleted the running pony. So, not deleted, but just made it black. She looks so good, y'all. I'm stupid happy with this thing. And that exhaust though, God, it's loud. I'm still loving that deck lid delete. We're getting rid of the smooth deck lid. It just makes the car look so amazing. But yeah, y'all are gonna have to let me know what you think. Maybe what you think I should do next. I know what I want to do next, but you know, it's gonna take a little time. My funds need to replenish themselves, of course. But yeah, we're about to get some rain here. I was trying to get this in yesterday. I was trying to do all this yesterday, doing a nice little video, but the install for me, the springs and the because of the way I did the exhaust, it took me, I started about 9 o'clock in the morning, I got done about 10 o'clock at night. The exhaust was the toughest part of it as far as anything. I had to take the whole exhaust out and then do, okay, so cut in the H pipe, cut this factory exhaust, put the whole exhaust back, put the H pipe in, then I did put the stock exhaust back in, then bolted it all up and cut it out. Cut it out and then put in the axle back. But yeah, y'all, I'm stupid happy with how this car looks and sounds right now. It's I'm not gonna say it's how it should have sounded, but it's how it should have sounded. All right, peace out.